In this video, you'll learn about using weather data and the tools available to help you effectively prepare for winter weather events. There are many sources of weather information available, many of them at your fingertips. It's important to check several different sources of road weather information before making winter weather maintenance operations decisions. The National Weather Service, WeatherView, Iowa's internal forecasting site, and other Iowa DOT driver information services are all good sources of information. You can also use your phone's weather app, weather websites, or TV and radio forecasts. When sorting through all the weather data available to you, there are 8 key questions you should try to answer about an approaching storm. How soon will the storm start? What type of precipitation will fall? How much precipitation will fall? What are the pavement temperatures? What are the winds expected to do? What are the traffic patterns for the area? When will the storm end? And what is the forecast following the storm? Always compare any forecasts you use with radar imagery. Are the two sources in agreement? Radar alone does not provide a good estimate of when snow will begin. Snow can develop in as few as 30 minutes, so storm start and end times can change significantly. In addition to checking radar, be sure to also check the Statewide Road Weather Information System, or RWIS network, to find out what is happening nearby. The RWIS network is made up of a series of stations across the state that report road pavement and weather conditions using advanced sensing technologies. Hourly summaries of RWIS data are available on the Iowa DOT's internal weather forecasting website. Check nearby RWIS and AWOS, or automatic weather observing stations, for low visibility, which may indicate snow. If station data differs from the forecast, adjust your response plan accordingly. What type of precipitation will fall? The forecast may indicate what time the precipitation may change from rain to sleet or sleet to snow. This is critical to your storm response, so be sure to confirm the forecast with actual conditions. Watch the radar and see where precipitation is falling. Use AWOS and RWIS data to check visibility, pavement temperature, and air temperature. Use Iowa DOT's Driver Information Services to see current conditions. And most importantly, stay in close communication with neighboring shops in the path of the storm. Actual snowfall amounts may differ greatly from the forecast. Changes in atmospheric pressure and the amount of moisture in the air can vastly impact a storm's trajectory and severity. Continue to check updated radar and forecast information to adapt your plan as necessary. What are the current and forecasted pavement temperatures? If the pavement temperatures are well above freezing, snow will have trouble accumulating unless the snow is unusually heavy. Monitor what is happening to the current and forecasted road temperatures at RWIS sites where the snow has been falling for the last 1 to 2 hours. Also check subsurface temperatures. If subsurface temperatures are above freezing, it will be hard for the road temperatures to drop very quickly. Pavement temperatures can be especially important for freezing rain events when air temperatures are very close to 32 degrees. What are the winds expected to do? Wind speed, direction, and wind shifts are difficult to forecast. Check RWIS and AWOS data for current information at the sites around you to help make informed winter maintenance decisions. What are the traffic patterns for the area? Heavy rush hour traffic can affect decisions on timing and treatment. If light snow looks like it will begin at 7 o'clock in the morning, it might be good to pre-treat before the rush hour. If light snow is not expected until 10 o'clock in the morning, you may want to wait to pre-treat when the rush hour ends. It is always most efficient to avoid operations during peak travel times whenever possible. When will the storm end? If the snow is expected to stop in the morning, you can probably count on the sun to help in the snow removal process. If the snow will not end until the evening, there is little or no chance of melting. A forecast that is off by a few hours can have a significant effect on how and when you treat. You can estimate the end time of a winter storm event by watching the back edge of the radar echo. Also check the surface observations, RWIS sites, and AWOS sites, since precipitation may stop before the radar echo is gone. The final question you will want to answer is, what is the forecast following the storm? Is the temperature going to nosedive? Are winds going to pick up considerably? What are forecasted road temperatures? Having a good idea what is going to happen after the storm can greatly affect how and when you are going to treat the roadways. Weather is constantly changing and often hard to predict. It impacts our lives in a variety of ways, especially in the winter. This video illustrated just a few of the many weather information sources available to you. Use this information and the tools available to assist you in making winter weather maintenance decisions.